Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing footwork on the Cadillac. So I think there's a few variations of doing footwork here on the Cadillac. This is one of them. You want to have your safety chain on and one spring from the bottom. If your spring is really light, then do two springs, but I have one heavy spring on here. And this exercise is not awesome if you've got lower back stuff. So just be mindful of that because it's a big stretch on your back. So being really careful when you place yourself under this, head at the edge, and then heels together, toes apart, arms are just here. And I really enjoy this if I'm warming somebody up to do tower, just so they can kind of get the weight of the spring. You would definitely move for tower. I have another tutorial on that, but you start with pointed feet, right? And you bend and straighten, and you're just bending and straightening as much as you can keep your hips down. So if this is too easy, you can slide out away from the edge of the Cadillac, but we don't want the tailbone to lift up. And so as you're getting ready for tower and monkey, this is a really good prep because it really helps you find, how can I keep my ribs down to make room for my legs? How can I keep my tailbone down to make a stretch in my back, right? And after 5 to 10, you can go onto your arches. And again, bend and straighten. And it's not a huge movement because it's not the same as being on your reformer or even on your one-to chair, but it really does help you connect to your hamstrings, your seat, and your stomach, and start practicing, how do I keep my thigh bones and my stomach from joining together? And then you go onto your heels and you bend and straighten it. As you work your way up your feet from toes, arches to heels, the movement, as you can see, gets way less, but the stretch gets way more intense. I can feel it all the way through my calves and my hamstrings. Then you come onto heels together, toes apart, and you can point and flex and really get that tendon stretch. Make sure you're working your outer hips in and out. You're not just enjoying the calf stretch that comes here. All right. And then you'd bend your knees in. You could take this and you can move yourself down and go into your tower, or move yourself back and go into your monkey. But whoa, is the stretch so good. There's so much blood flow in my calves and feet now, so it's worth giving a try. Again, as far as weight goes, it's not very heavy. So if you want it to be heavier, if it's just too easy, you're not getting anything out of it, add another spring. But to me, it's just a really great way to find a tall back and get a good stretch to the back of your legs and practice bringing the knees in towards your stomach and away from your stomach without doing it from the knees, like bringing your thighs in and out without locking the knees and making this just like a joint exercise. So it will really help you in your tower and monkey, which you'll see in another tutorial from me. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.